Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Zebian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is virtual machine. In this session, we will see how virtual machine works on your system. So, a virtual machine is a computer file, typically called an image, which behaves like an actual computer. This virtual machine is generated, and you can say created in your physical PC with the help of hypervisor software. So, in other words, creating a computer within a computer, it runs in a window much like any other program, giving the end user the same experience on a virtual machine as they would have on the host operating system itself. They behave like it is actually the original system. Nothing is difference between your original system and your virtual machine. It is unaware of it works as a virtually, right? So the virtual machine is sandboxed from the rest of the system. That means software inside a virtual machine cannot escape or tamper with the computer itself. This produces an ideal environment for testing other operating system, including beta releases, accessing virus infected data, creating operating system backup, and running software or application on operating system for which they were not originally intended. Multiple virtual machine can run simultaneously on the same physical computer. For server, the multiple operating system run side by side with a piece of software called a hypervisor to manage them, while desktop computers typically employ one operating system to run the other operating system. Within its program windows, each virtual machine provides its own virtual hardware, including CPUs, memories, hard drives, network infrastructure, and other devices. The virtual hardware is then mapped to the real hardware on the physical machine, which saves cost by reducing the need for physical hardware system along with the associated maintenance cost that go with it, plus reduces power and cooling demand also. So this is the in very important characteristic of cloud computing, by which we can, in cloud computing, with the help of virtualization technique and the software which make it virtualization possible, and it with the help of virtualization we create many virtual machine in our one physical system. That is a very important if you are working in a organization and they need a project from you, for which you have to require your system is supporting Windows operating system, and the company which demanded for project with that can be made up of with the operating system Linux, then you can easily use the then you can easily create the uh, made up of the project with the help of a virtual machine by using virtualization technique. This is all about of this session. Thank you class. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This session is provided by Digital Version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Thank you class.